In this bite-sized video, I'm going to show you how to enable the bitmap background in Final Cut Pro 10. Now this question comes from a subscriber, so I do ask you guys to subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all of the content relevant to you. I also build playlists so you can find the videos right for you. So let's get into the video now. So you can see on screen in Final Cut Pro 10 there is an Epic Games logo with a dark black shade of a background, and you cannot see the background of the player. For example, if I select transform, you can see that the actual image is only this big here. You can see the size of the image. So the rest of this outer image is the background. It's the background player. So in order to see this, so that you can see that nothing is showing in these areas that aren't being filled by the Epic Games logo, you will need to enable a different colored background, which is why the bitmap is so useful. And the way you enable this bitmap background is you go to Final Cut Pro, then you would go into Preferences, and from Preferences, you want to go into Playback. We're already in the Playback menu here because I've navigated my way before the recording of this video. You have General, Editing, Playback, Import and Destinations. You want to make sure you have Playback selected. Then when you scroll down, you can see that the player background is currently black. You can change this to Checkerboard, and this is an impartial way of colouring your background so that whites and blacks do not fade in with the colour of the background of the player, especially when working with shades of white and shades of black. So if you select this now, Checkerboard has now been enabled. You can see that it's already done in the background there. Let's select the timeline and come out of the preferences of the playback here, and now you can see that the background has now enabled a bitmap, or as Final Cut puts it, a checkerboard. This is how you do this within Final Cut Pro 10. This has been a quick and easy tutorial right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, and for more, make sure you subscribe. I have a playlist called Final Cut Pro Plugins, but I also have more Final Cut Pro content on the way and in other playlists right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. This has come from a question from a subscriber, so I thought I'd make this video fairly quickly. I'll see you in the next video right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. On screen now, you will see a playlist and a video relevant to you. Click on one of those for more content.